My name is Hamna, I'm 18 years old and I'm a nutritional and wellness health coach. So today I'm going to be making martabak, which is an Indonesian pancake. I've also got my dad here to help me, but obviously I'll be doing all the actions by myself, and if I need some help I'll obviously call my dad over. So for the ingredients to make martabak, we've got melted butter. We're going to use 1 egg, 200 grams of self-raising fat, some milk as well, just to get some liquids into it. That's what we're going to put into the martabak when it's cooked and ready. So in martabak you have like a filling, and the filling that we have is chocolates. I think it's melted chocolate chips, and some crushed nuts, crushed peanuts. And we're also going to be using, I think, 2 scoops of the Formula 1 Herbalife shake mix. And we're going to use the cookies and cream just to give it a little bit of extra flavour. And then we're also going to be putting in 1 scoop of the active fibre complex, which is also really good because it helps with your digestive system. And it pretty much just helps you just let everything out in the other way. So I'm going to put the egg in first. I'm going to crack the egg. So I'm guessing I have to just mix it in slowly, and I'll probably just mix it. So there's a bit of mixing to do for this recipe, but definitely come out well. That's good. And just try and get in all the flour into the mixture. I'll put more milk in. Do I keep mixing?
Yep.
Or do I put the butter in?
Put the butter in.
Oh, okay. So, we put in the butter, the melted butter. How much is
150
grams of melted butter? So all you have to do is pretty much just put it in a bowl and then put the bowl in the microwave. Now we're going to put it all in. Get every little last drop, and then we're going to mix this in. So in martabak they have heaps of different fillings. So sometimes people put cheese, or they put Nutella or chocolate, and they also put it with condensed milk. So it really is such a variety, but I think the original, which is chocolate and peanuts, is really good. So now just keep mixing this. I'm gonna put in the 2 scoops, is it? 2 scoops of the cookies and cream Formula 1. So this just adds a little bit of a flavour. It is a little bit of a twist to the original martabak. And then 1 scoop of the active fibre complex. All of the powder from the sides. Is that fine, or should I keep mixing?
Yeah, it's fine.
Too fine? So it'll be kind of sort of thick, goopy texture. That's when you know that you're ready to sort of start cooking it. Like that. Okay. Okay, so instead of making just another one, we're just going to cut it in half and then just put it on top of the other. So that's also another way you can do it. Also, it like sort of is a bit of a portion control, so you've got like half rather than 2 wholes. So after, I'm just gonna put it on top of it, turn it to the side. That's mattabak, done for the day. And cut it again. So this is one we had prepared earlier. So yeah, it's super easy, super simple to make, doesn't take that long. So it is like a healthy little snack. So difference is with like a normal mattabak is that we did add the Herbalife Formula 1 shake mix, and we did add also active fiber complex. It's really great for like every day, and it's definitely got like I think it's 24 essential vitamins and minerals that your body does need every day. So it's really good because it is super healthy.
And 9 grams of protein.
Yeah, and then when you put it in your like cakes and everything, it actually helps you because you're having your daily dose of your vitamins and minerals that you need every day. And it's just so easy and versatile to put it in lots of different foods and recipes. So yeah, it's really good. So thank you so much. So thank you for watching today, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. So bye.